The air fry function is just one of 13 impressive cooking functions on the Joule oven. It combines intense heat and maximizes airflow to cook foods crispy and brown. From French fries to kale chips to bacon and homemade chicken nuggets, or my favorite, Chinese 5-spice chicken wings. The Joule oven makes it happen. Now, the trick to perfecting air-fried chicken wings is to add a sprinkle of milk powder to the spice mix. This helps to achieve a nice color and enhances the crispiness of the wings. For the best results, avoid layering food and leave space between pieces. A top tip when air frying meats or foods with a higher fat density is to sit the roasting pan beneath the mesh air fry basket to catch any fat drippings. You can also nest your trivet inside the roasting pan and air fry your food directly on the trivet. Both methods will help to keep your oven clean and prevent fat from smoking on the heating elements. It's also a good idea to discard excess oil and drippings between batches. Set your mesh basket on rack position 3. Use the confirm dial to select air fry. Notice the temperature displayed here. And below, we have the cooking preset time. You'll also notice the Super Convection setting is displayed on the LCD. This means the Element IQ system moves greater volumes of air throughout the oven to produce beautifully browned, crispy food results. Hit the Start-Stop button and look out for the orange LCD and countdown timer. Oh, if you're air frying breadcrumb-coated food, be sure to preheat the oven with the basket inside for crispiest results. This will prevent the bottom of your food getting soggy by cooking the food the moment it makes contact with the sizzling hot basket. You can also engage the Rotate Remind feature so that the oven reminds you to rotate the food for even cooking. If you're working with frozen foods, you can toggle the frozen button at any time in the cooking process. The frozen button reduces the oven temperature and extends the cooking duration slightly to ensure your food is cooked thoroughly without burning the outside, and no constant monitoring required from you. Oh, and if you're thinking, I wish I'd made more of these like I am right now, you may want to consider buying some extra air fry baskets. The Joule oven can air fry 2 mesh baskets at one time. Just be sure to adjust the cooking time. You can purchase your additional baskets at Breville.com. Air fried chicken, it's a healthier option that doesn't compromise the taste factor.